Guitar, check. Lightsaber, check. Hey guys, it's Rockstar Skywalker here with you once again. Are you ready to have some fun? Oh, there's a henchman. Wait, is that a henchman? Is that a henchman? It is a henchman, I think. Are we going to the ancient sea, 2 butt cheeks?
Yeah.
Yay. Just go and say it quietly because it's you. Oh, you're way behind me. Dun dun dun. Yeah, you're ahead of me. Alright. Here we go over here. Okay, I see a henchman, I think. Yeah, but I definitely see a henchman. I'm down. No. Ah! Okay, that was the dumbest idea ever. Alright. That was like the dumbest idea ever. Alright, this is a good start. Good round. I have 6 life. What I died? I lost 1 life. I die. Yeah, that's what you get, dude. Yeah, that's what you get. Baby. Yeah, that's what you get. I see my dog Louie. Get out of here. Get out of here, Louie. It's my dog. Alright. Ooh, let me get the whoa. Alright. Got pump shotgun. Ha! If you get a guys, if you get a headshot on a pump shotgun, that means you did 112 damage. Good. Shut your mouth. Shoot. Oh no! I was about to get behind. Is that the? Are we going to the? Oh, we're going to the ancient sea again. 3, 2, 1, go! Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Meow meow. Meow meow. Okay, I'm way ahead of you, Daddy. Bleh. Oh my goodness, I see someone. Oh my goodness. I'm heading to that roof there. Yep, I definitely. Is he going towards it? Okay. Oh, come on. Please make it. Please make it. Yes, I made it. La 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 la. There we go. Alright. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! I'm already down. No, not even like I'm right top on the roof. Boom. But that's fences. I can't even go there because I can't just jump. Okay. Do you have any wood? That should be enough, right? Go on. I'm about to get killed. No, somebody's coming. Break that piece. I'm right under it. Break that piece, alright? I see an assault rifle over there. Okay, I already have a gun, and I have some bandages. Good thing I have bandages, because I would have died. Okay. Okay, 3 more, and boom. There we go. Yep, definitely good. Need disguise, man. Alright. Oh, shotgun. Alright. Oh, yeah. Alright, I found a decoy.
Oh, I hear somebody.
Okay. I got my decoy. Gonna put a decoy right there. In fact, I just put down a decoy. Alright. Alright. If I see a henchman, that means I'm just gonna like put a decoy or a player. Alright. I see a player. Whoa! Run! No! I'm already down. Get him decoy. No. I need to get some cover. No. Ready up. Oh my goodness, that guy is a pro, man. You just shot that camera.
Yeah.
I already did. Alright. Oh. 4 lives left. If I die, this video ends. Yeah. Wait. Alright, we're going to the agency, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to thank the bus driver. Thank the bus driver. I already did. Oh, you're way ahead of me now. Guess what? I'm going to catch up. Oh, I'm catching up. I'm catching up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. Let me get my disguise. Let me get the weapons. Then I'm going to get my disguise. Okay. That guy with the kaboom. That's Agent Peely Ghost. Is he heading towards it? Oh my goodness, he's not.
A lot of people over here.
I know, right? A lot of people like the agency. Oh my gosh. He's heading right to the chest. Oh no. He's about to shoot. No, there's a guy over there. I was about to get the chest. Ah! No. Alright. No henchman. Good. I got a better way in. Break it. Whoa! There's a camera in there. I found a chest. Okay, I don't have a weapon though.
I see somebody.
Whoa, he's coming after me. Ah! I only have brick. I didn't get any weapons. Alright, ready up. Now I only have 3 lives. Oh. No. Actually, I have infinite eyes on. Get out of there. And this is my dog man book I got from my school. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm the new partner in crime. Partner? What do I need a partner for? Can't you say I'm just about to defeat the summer buddies? Okay, stop with your windmill floss. Oh, I'm going to get that pistol. Let's go. Shotgun. That's what I'm going to shotgun you. Hey. Bye. I went down way too late because I can go straight down to the agency. So that's quicker. Alright. Okay, I see the chest. I see a henchman on a roof. Wait, I see somebody else with a default skin. Come on. Seriously? Okay, I'm gonna get disguise. Yeet. Go disguise. And also need to find a weapon. Okay. Good job. No, yeah, that's me.
Almost out of ammo.
Yeah, because you wasted it on me. There's a decoy. Do you want to get it? Yep, you definitely got it. Okay, get all the weapons as you can. Oh no. Should I shoot that minigun guy? Oh.
We gotta get some more weapons. Come on.
Whoa, I almost touched him.
Alright, come on.
Yeet. And I found an ammo box. You just missed a vent. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, there's the minigun guy. Minigun henchman. Oh, that scared me. Whoa, somebody's shooting.
That's my decoy.
Oh,
If I see a heavy weapon,
okay.
some shield.
Yes.
Right there.
I already have some shields. I forgot. Okay, just nice. There we go. Let me get some more.
Come on, upstairs.
Alright.
Gotta stay close.
Okay. Harpoon gun. Get that today. Bleh. Alright, bandages. I found a chest. With the. Alright. There we go. Ruin the decoy. I just said a decoy. I'm supposed to say a decoy, but I said decoy. Alright. Alright. I hear a henchman. Scanning, I'm gonna go in here. There we go. Alright, really? Nope. Ah! Oh man, I just went into a hole. Now you're above me. Alright.
Alright, right behind you.
Oh, I found a box. You just missed it. Whoa! Suppressed sniper rifle. Oh yes. I want some more of that.
Alright, better.
There we go. Alright. Oh yeah. Okay. Huh? Alright. Chest. Alright. Okay.
Oh, I found what's his name. We gotta get him though.
You mean Midas?
Yeah, get him. Hurry.
Ah! I got the gun.
Come on, upstairs. You gotta get to the sky. This way.
I got the gun, but I didn't get the key card. Dang it.
We'll go back and get it. Let's get our disguise.
Alright. Okay. Shotgun ammo. What if I do? Yeet! Go to scores. Okay. Reload my shotgun. My sniper. There's the key card. Get the key card, alright? Huh. Okay. What is this drum gun? Ha! I love it.
Alright, we gotta go downstairs to get it. Where's the
Whoa! There's a player. Whoa! There's another one. Huh? I hear him.
Where do we get to Africa?
There he is. Yes, I got him. Get that minigun, all right? Do you see the safe? I don't see the safe. I think it's underground with that minigun guy. You have a minigun. So you minigun guy also. Okay.
Alright, we gotta get to the bottom. Let's go to the bottom.
I'm not disguised, but it's all right. Oh no 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 no! Do it do it! Ah! Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna.
Last round.
Right. Building time. Why do I see the football guy? Oh man, while it's loading. Okay, pistol. And also submachine gun. Because I love it. Yay! Oh. We're going to the agency again?
Let's go over there.
Alright. Yacht.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay, you're right. Man, I really want to catch up. I'm catching up to you. I think. No, I'm not. Alright.
Long ways. A whole lot of that. Now we can get one up a good way.
See someone with angel glider. Meowslet or something like that, Meowsless or something like that, is like the down floor and the upper floor, because I saw the trailer of season 2 and Meowslet has a Uzi with the legendary. Oh, you're not going to make it. Alright. Just said ghost.
Oh, there's somebody already in there. There's somebody already in there. Don't go over there. Don't go over there.
I saw him.
Wait till he leaves. He doesn't have a disguise.
Whoa!
Oh, you're not going there yet. Hold on.
He didn't get me in time. You got him, I think. No, you didn't.
I gotta get your card. Oh! Well, that was poopy.
That's ninja. That's ninja. That's a ninja skin.
Alright, ready up.
Right?
Well, we're not doing very good.
Yeah. It's just kind of tough.
Yeah, it's been a tough match, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What movie did we see today? What movie did we see today?
You mean
What movie did you see today?
we watched a movie called Sonic the Hedgehog and it was pretty funny, right? I know, right? Good. Trying to shoot this guy in her butt cheek. Right. Stay there. 70 damage. We're going to the agency. Yeah.
Shake down and knock Kinsman in different matches. Okay, so you can shake them down. So that's one of the challenges of the agency.
I think the bus driver. And you think the bus driver, right? Find shadow safe houses.
That's like the one.
Yeah, that's shadow, not.
Yeah, they're hidden. Basically, what it's saying.
Yep.
Alright, landing on the agency. You gotta interrogate a henchman.
All right. I'm gonna get it first. Get it up! I'm down already, damn it.
I got a shotgun.
And I died.
I'm gonna revive you, don't worry.
Hey, you're right. Coming well.
Yeah, die, girl, die.
Yeah, it's been tough, man. Alright, last one.
All right. This is my dog man book. So one blue something. I want that dance move. I really want that dance move also. Hey. Ugh. Come over here. Ugh, 5 damage. We're going to the agency again?
No, go to the yacht. You gotta be quick though. Ready, go. Super fast.
Going ahead of you, man. You're not even catching up. Yeah. Now you're catching up.
You're also higher than I am. Alright, so let's get the boat this time instead of swimming over that.
Oh, come on. Can you break the disguiser?
Blast that door, get that guy in there, and then
Alright. Bye.
blast
Oh, the henchman just spotted somebody else. Oh, you. Come on. There we go.
I got somebody.
Oh yeah, I already got a sniper rifle. Alright, I'm gonna revive you.
Oh, there's another guy coming to get me. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He's coming to get me. Get him, man, get him.
Oh! That's what he gets!
Good job.
Stop moving. Is there somebody coming?
No.
Good, 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 good. I already got a sniper rifle because I got a
I
headshot.
need to get some guns.
Get that weapon, alright?
I need to go back over there.
Where's Meow's live? Or Meowless? No, that's one of the henchmen. Wait, I see Ancient Peely. I see a chest up there. I already got a
Oh,
sniper.
I need a disguise. Dang it.
Oh no! Oh! Ancient Peely got me. Ancient, get me quick.
Oh, he's in here with me.
The ancient. Oh no! Get him! Get him! Come on.
Oh. Dang it. Okay, one more. We're dying too quick.
I know. I don't know where should we go. Should we go like to the Yacht or the Agency? They're both the best. A lot of people go there. So that's Ancient Peely with the ghost costume. You only can prevent V-Buck scams. Do not share your password with anyone, except for your family. I'm gonna get that pump shotgun. Aha! Pump shotgun for me. Ugh. What is that? I wanna get that. Really wanna get that dance move. Eh. Who did that? What the heck? Okay, we're going to the Agency. Yep, we're definitely going to go to the Agency. There's an island that's not discovered. We haven't discovered yet.
Yep.
I'm still in the bus because I want to go straight down to the Agency. Wait, the what? Way farther. Good call. Okay. Oh, somebody's over here. La, la, la. Are you serious?
Alright, I'm on the other side.
Not even disguiser. I'm about to go to the disguiser where you were disguised. A minigun. Should we go in the portal?
Yeah.
Eat. Yeah. Okay. What's in here? Alright. There's Midas! I got Midas!
Already?
Yeah. I'm so good. Oh yeah, I found the key card.
Alright, you get his gun?
Yep, I definitely did. The safe is right over there. I need to find the disguiser. I really need to
Wait
find.
through the sky. You go to the portal. It's just on the other side of that.
Alright.
Oh, coming where?
Alright. There we go. I'm going back. There we go. So we're at the top floor, right? Where are you? Right there. That's a key card. No, I don't need that stuff. I'm good. I actually want to switch up to my bandit's bazooka. Alright. So rifle. We got a pump shotgun. I got the key card right now. No, I'm good for now.
You got the card, right?
Yep.
Alright, follow me. Oh, watch out, watch out. Go back, go back, go back. Go back this way, this way.
Alright, I got my Midas's drum gun now. Oh, get out of here. Ow!
I'm down. You got Midas's gun. Get him with that.
Not where it is. What? Ah! Okay, this guy's way too strong. He has 10 health. How did we not beat him? Okay, die, die, die. Die. Oh, let's do it. Are we going to do ready up? Oh, we, okay.
Yep.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. This is the longest video I ever seen in my life. Blah, blah, blah. Can't believe I got Midas. I guess somebody already been there and Midas just defeated them, and that's why I got Midas with my uncommon assault rifle. Yeek. This is what you get. Oh my goodness. That's what you get. Okay, I'm running faster than. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what you got. We're going to the yacht or the ancient sea. Oh, the ancient sea again.
Ready, set, go.
I'm not.
Where are you?
I'm going to get the same chest under the stairs on the top roof. Almost on the second top roof. Alright, I got a rare already, and I already got some shield. Let me drink it. I'm just going to drink one, alright? Drink two. Okay, what is that? So it's the same thing.
Alright, you got a couple guns coming to you. Alright. Guys ready?
No.
Go get it.
Alright, I'm getting it. Yeet!
Oh, dang it. I just bumped into one. I gotta get my scatter. Watch out.
Okay, I'm in the bush. I'm watching you. What happens if I run over you?
No, let's not do that. Let's try to win.
Oh, when
Alright, come on.
I think when I run over you, that means my disguise is broken. No. Alright. Should we get this guy? Oh, I got a henchman. I got a henchman. Whoa. Okay. lost my disguise. Because of the henchman shooting the other player. Alright. I'm going back. Don't shoot my teammate!
Oh, I'm down. I went down the wrong way.
Oh no! I ran to a henchman. I got the henchman. Alright, did a player or a henchman kill you? Okay, I didn't. Alright, here we go. Whoa! The henchman! The henchman! Okay, let me get my disguise. Okay, let me revive you. Hope a henchman doesn't shoot you because you're not disguised. And boom! You're revived. Wait, there's a henchman right there. Alright, good. I thought he's going to shoot you.
I need to heal some kind of way.
Okay.
Oh, wait,
What?
I got a med kit.
Yeah. Do you need shield?
Yeah.
I have one. I don't have one shield potion. Sorry. Because I need them because I was low on health. I have this shield right here. Shield right there. Do you need shield?
Where are you?
Do you see my name tag right behind you?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay.
See this shield right here?
Yeah.
Get this shield right here. This shield.
Okay.
Yep. There's only one though. Sorry. I just need it. Alright. Alright. Don't run over a henchman, alright? Okay. This is pretty good. Alright. Yeah, let me go in here. What's in here? Okay. Nothing. Just outside. Alright. There's a camera. What are they saying? Okay, I'm gonna get this box. Don't take my stuff. Whoa! Pistol! And also shield. Alright. I was about to get that. Okay, you know what? I'm coming. That's fine. I don't care. Okay. Are we in the circle? We're barely in the circle. How do I walk?
Where's Midas? He gotta be walking around somewhere.
Yeah, remember the basement we just went?
Oh, I found a chest.
Good job. This is where the trailer was. Do you need that?
I got a full shield now.
I'm trying to find Midas.
Yeah, where's Midas?
I think he's in the basement where we went last battle, or he's outside where the stairs is.
Why don't we get to the roof and see if we can find some people to get?
What about Midas? Also.
We see him walking around. Let's go to the roof.
Alright. Yeah, sometimes he's from the stairs outside. Yeah, sometimes he's not. Yeah.
Oh, ammo box.
Okay, get that ammo box. And let's go to the roof. You're the best builder in the game right now. Alright.
Alright, can we build? Do I have enough to build with? Not really.
There we go. Do you have enough? You do! Let's go! Midas is sometimes, sometimes in the basement where the porta potty is.
Get on that, watch out. I'm about to break it.
Oh. There's a chest in there. Alright. We're gonna make some holes.
Oh, there's a chest in there. Perfect.
Yeah. Whoa! I accidentally fell. They're great. Not to go all the way back up.
Make a ramp.
I did. Oh my goodness. There we go. Ah! Oh my goodness, I keep falling. Find Midas, find Midas. I keep falling. There we go. I got it on top. See a henchman. Let me get the ammo. There we go. He's somewhere. Wait, guess. I think I know where he is. I think he's in the basement in the porta potties. Or something like that. The basement. The safe house. Whatever you want to call it. Let's go to the porta potty. Oh. Oh, I got him with 8 health. Oh, I got him with again. What? I do 8 damage.
Somebody else over there.
I see him. So stinking tiny, I can't even see him. There he is. I can't even shoot them because they're so stinking fast.
He's far. I don't have shots that far.
Yeah, I don't have a sniper.
No, I hit him. Don't stand next to me. Go stand somewhere else.
Okay.
You're going to shoot in one place and get both of us. You need to stay separate just a little bit.
Alright, this one's
We're building
forward.
a place all the way over here.
Meta's perfect, man. There we go. I have 0 metal. I'm running out of ammo. I wish I had a sniper.
Here, don't stand all the way out there.
I see a player. Ugh!
Don't stand out there. They're going to blow that off and you're going to fall.
I just saw a player with a default skin. You just missed him. I saw him, but I didn't see him. I mean, I didn't shoot him. Yeah, I'm just getting confused because of that. Okay, need to reload.
Alright, let's try and find some ammo.
There we go. Alright. I need some ammo so bad because I'm running out. Boom. Yes, chest. Oh yes, pump shotgun ammo. Great. Let me switch that to my shotgun. Okay. Ramp. There we go. Give you tell me where it is.
Alright, you down low?
Yeah. I'm right here.
I got it over.
Hey. I will build stairs here. There we go. There we go. I just saw a player. There's 22 people left. We're surviving. Oh my goodness. That's a nice tower there. I see somebody else building. I'm hitting it. Alright, there we go. I keep glitching. Okay. Why are you dancing? I got something funnier. You know I'm low on ammo.
Oh, here, find the
I think he's in the basement in the port potty right there.
Is he?
Yeah, I think so because we found him last time. Don't blow it up. I switch it to my pistol. All right. That's where I built. There we go.
Ammo box.
I really need ammo so bad. I destroyed the camera. Oh, I need a disguise to open it. Minus!
Oh! Get on behind the door!
I'm ready. I got him!
Good job.
Let me revive me.
No, get him before I hit you. Revive. There you go, now revive. There you go.
I have 2 shots on my shotgun. I hear somebody shooting. Come on, go faster, go faster.
Yeah!
Mythic, get that key card, alright?
Alright.
Okay,
Wait a minute. Gotta get my shield.
alright. I didn't even get hit on that, on Midas.
I took most of his hits.
Yeah, that's good. Alright.
Alright, let's go down and get the key. I gotta get it disguised. This way.
I gotta get this guy's too. I hear someone shooting.
This way.
Yeet! I hear somebody. You need to get to this guy's too. Whoa, someone's shooting! Wait, he can't see me.
Coming after me.
Oh, how did he see me? No, I'm about to die. No, he's about to get my mythic.
Oh no!
No, he
Get
got.
my grenades out and I panicked. Not bad.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Make sure to leave a like. We're going to see you guys next time. Bye.